Hello students, today we are going to study chapter 13 of English grammar, degrees of comparison. An adjective changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. There are three degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. For example, she has a big house. Here, the adjective big is in the positive degree as we are not making any comparison in this sentence. The comparative degree is used to compare two objects, people, or places. For example, her house is bigger than my house. In this sentence, the adjective bigger is in the comparative degree, as in this sentence we are comparing her house to my house. The superlative degree is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. For example, his house is the biggest of all. Here the adjective biggest is in the superlative degree, as his house is being compared to all other houses. In order to change an adjective from positive degree to comparative and superlative degrees, we need to remember some rules. Most adjectives form their comparative and superlative by adding er and est. For example, tall, taller, tallest. If positive degree ends in e, we add only r and st. For example, large, larger, largest. When the words end in y preceded by a consonant, y is changed into I before adding er and est. For example, happy, happier, happiest. When the words end in vowel plus y, then we add er and est. For example, grey, greyer, greyest. If the word is of one syllable and ends in a single consonant with a vowel before it, then the consonant is doubled before adding er and est. For example, big, bigger, biggest. Adjectives of more than two syllables add more and most before them. For example, useful, more useful, most useful. Some adjectives form their comparatives and superlatives in an irregular way. Let's see some of those adjectives. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Much, more, most. Old, older, oldest. Little, less, least. Far, farther, farthest. We use adjectives to describe people and things. We can also compare things and people by using similes. We use positive degree of adjectives with similes. For example, she is as beautiful as a rose. He is as busy as P. We know that P is always busy, so we compare him to B. In the same way, we know that a rose is always beautiful, so we compare her beauty to a rose. So children, that was all about the degrees of adjectives. Thank you and have a nice day.